Hi, Beth Missler here. Welcome to Chalking 101. I'm going to go over and walk through the basic steps on how to do chalking. And I have some Chalk Couture products here, and I'm going to show you some step-by-steps and basics for somebody who wants to begin doing these lovely signs and things to decorate your home just like I do. So for starts, I'm gonna switch my view so that you can see what I'm looking at. Okay. Oops, I didn't mean to do it that way. Hold on. I had the wrong one. Okay, that's what I want to see. Okay, I'm trying to put myself in the corner and so that you can see what I'm doing.
Oh, I can't stop laughing.
There, got it. Can everybody see? Okay, say something to me if you are on live with me and I will talk to you. Okay. All right, so I opened up my transfer here. I have the Let It Snow, and I have a chalkboard here to show you what the step-by-steps are. If you're doing something like this for the first time though, don't be afraid of what to do, because on the back of every transfer that you get, there is a step-by-step directions on how to peel back, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store your transfer. So if you forget,